Storage retrieval systems are applications in which KEB products are typically used, such as the CombiVert R6 for supply and regenerative energy, the F6 for hoist drive and travel drive axis, and the S6 for load handling devices. So what does the power trend look like when moving the storage retrieval system? Motor energy is absorbed during the lifting process, shown here in red, and regenerative energy is generated during the braking process of the travel drive, shown in green. If we look at the combined power trend, it becomes clear that a large amount of energy is still being absorbed by the mains. In the lowering process, a lot of regenerative energy is released, which can still be fed back even if it is exchanged in the network. Let's look at the power distribution of the storage retrieval system during the movement. In the local supply mains, there are always basic consumers that can absorb energy. When the hoist and travel drive, energy is taken from the mains. When the travel drive breaks, regenerative energy is briefly exchanged in the network. In the lowering process, a large amount of regenerative energy is generated that can be fed back. This reduces the power that has to be taken from the mains. Let's look at the power distribution in the network in parallel to the power trend. When motor energy is absorbed, it is taken from the mains. The energy that is generated in the lowering process is exchanged in the supply mains. This is the regenerated energy. Use your energy now with the supply and regenerative units of KEB automation.